guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I had a really cool video planned for this week, but that's not gonna happen because I filmed it and it was really awesome and I accidentally deleted it from my phone because my phone backs all my pictures and videos up to iCloud, and then when I use them on my phone it has to re-download them from iCloud. I don't understand why it does that, but it's really annoying. So when I edited the video, then I deleted the original, but then it told me the edit couldn't be downloaded because the original was not downloaded from iCloud. So long story short, I don't have the video and I'm pissed because I had ordered some plants online and I was going to review them, or I did review them. So what I did was I got drunk. Okay, let me rephrase this. So the video was me doing a drunk review of all of these plants, and it was really funny and it was so much fun to film. And Rob came in and did it with me too, and it just turned out really funny. So I was so excited to post it and I deleted it. So yeah, I am really mad about that. So whatever, I'm still gonna review these plants because I mean I might as well. I still want you guys to see that. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'll order a few more plants and then I'll do my drunk review on those because it was just a lot of fun to do. So I still want to do it. Hopefully I don't delete the video this time. So I ordered from 3 different people off of plant purge pages on Facebook, which are just pages created on Facebook for plant lovers and sellers. And then people do purges where they'll make a post and then in the comments they post the pictures of their plants and prices, and then the first person the comment sold gets the plant. So that's where I bought all these plants from 3 different people. So oh yeah, and I still have the boxes here from when I did this. I filmed this video last Friday. The first video, I filmed it last Friday, and then I was editing it yesterday and I deleted it on accident. So yeah, now I'm refilming. But so these were 2 of the boxes that I got. Like I said, I was doing a drunk review. This one had 1 plant in it. It has a big bright sticker that says live plants, please handle with love. But the box looks like this. Like, thank God the plant was okay, but like it was really messed up. And this box too. This box had like 8 plants in it. And oh my God. When I opened my door to grab these, this was the first one that I saw. It was on top of the stack and I was like, oh my God, this is gonna be horrible. All of these plants are gonna be destroyed. But they were all good too. So yeah. And then my 3rd box was completely fine. Those 2 priority ones got really busted up, but the other one was just a like plain cardboard box and was a little bit thicker, and that one was perfectly fine. So I don't need this in the video. I'm sober today. So, Nugget, are you gonna help me? We'll start with your favorite nugget. So, first one is this variegated bird's nest fern. I got this one from Jayson San Pedro. By the way, I'm gonna link all of the links for what am I looking for? All of the links for social media and websites for these sellers, I'm gonna link in the description box, and I'll also link the names of all of these plants just in case you guys want to go back and get that information, or if you want to go shop. So, oh, this one's getting moldy. So I bought this as a rehab plant. He had described that it was a rehab plant and it would need some love and care to get it back to good looking and okay looking. So all of these plants except for one came shipped bare root, meaning they weren't in a pot or soil. The roots were just by themselves and wrapped in like a wet paper towel and saran wrap or baggies to keep them moist to keep them moist so that they don't dry out. So that's how all of these were shipped. So this one was like that. It was wrapped in some damp moss. And the roots are like very small. They're barely there. There's hardly any roots on this guy, and it has some crispy leaves, but it also has 3 brand new little leaves coming in the middle, and you probably can't see, and I don't know if this is in view, but like, oh, this is so pretty. I love this so much, but there's 3 new little leaves coming in the middle, so hopefully I can bring this guy back to life a little bit. I have a regular bird's nest fern, and that looks like this. This one obviously is really nice and healthy and massive. I bought this at a drugstore a couple months ago, and honestly, I'm not really sure what I'm doing right, but this thing loves me. So I'm really hoping that I'll have the special touch with this one too, so I can get it looking really nice again. So I'm really excited about this one. So Jayson, thank you very much for sending this. The packaging was really good on that guy, despite the mail getting crunched. What's next? Okay, so then this one was the only one that came shipped in a pot. So it was, I don't even remember. Oh, there was paper towels over the top of the pot and then taped down so that the dirt wouldn't fall out. And then this one was in like pillow stuffing in the box. So was that bird's nest fern. But this is a Philodendron Birkin. It's so pretty. I love these guys. And this is like a couple plants in here. There's like 2 big plants and then a little baby plant coming on the side here, but there's a lot of new growth on it. So I love this one. This one came from Caiti Nicole. So I'll have her information linked in the description box as well. So this one was packaged really good also. The box was good on this one actually. So I love this guy. I love this one. It's awesome. I mean, I love all of them, but yeah, I love all philodendron. And then that guy, and it's variegated. It just makes it so much better, and it's so pretty. So then the third one that I got, or the few that I got, I ordered these all from the same person. So I ordered 3. The first one was this Rhipsalis, which is commonly known as a mistletoe cactus, and it looks kind of sparse right now because I have it all spread out in this little pot. This is really cute. It's like a little soup bowl thingy, like a little casserole thingy with this lid. Oh, what is the name of this line? It's at Walmart. It's oh my god, what is it called? It's called like Country Woman or something. The Pioneer Woman. This is from the Pioneer Woman collection at Walmart. So I'm gonna let this guy root out and get established in there, and then I'm gonna put some little dowels in here to hold the lid up, so the lid is just like kind of like levitating above it like this, so the plant can still grow out. But I'm letting it establish first and get a lot of sun, because with this on, it's only gonna get part sun, obviously. So I'm letting it establish a little bit before I do that. But this was really well rooted, and when I unpackaged it, I was like about 6 mics deep, and I like broke most of it off. Actually, this is like half the plant that I got sent. But I broke a bunch of these off, and I have them, actually I have them in another pot, or some of them I stuck back in here, but I have some of them in this pot, hopefully rooting. So yeah, so this is a mistletoe cactus, Rhipsalis, what was this one called? Rhipsalis campos. So that's that guy, and these came from Allison. So another one, oh my god, I just broke another piece off. See, these are really fragile, and I've dealt with these before, or I've dealt with one other one before that I had, and that one did not break like this. This one is so fragile. I think it's kind of dehydrated just from being shipped. It feels kind of flimsy, so I think that's why it's breaking so easily, but that's fine. It'll come back, and I don't plan on moving it a lot, so it should be fine. So the second plant I ordered from her, besides these cuttings, was this sweet potato vine, And I love all sweet potato vines. I think they're really cool, but this one is, what's this one called? It's called Blackie, I think. But it has these like split dark leaves. They're like black on top and purple on the bottom with purple stems. And then this new growth is green, but that will turn to purple. So I think, yeah, this is just one plant. And actually, I lied about the bare root thing. This one came in this pot. The rest of them from her all came bare root though too. So, wait, did they? Yeah, they did. So, yeah, this one's a sweet potato vine. And when I got it, actually, it was so wilty and the soil was so dry. It was falling everywhere out of the package. And I was really scared, honestly. I didn't know if it would come back from it, but I watered it. And then the next morning, it was just, well, this morning? No, 2 mornings ago. But I don't even know what day it is. Wow. Not ignore all of that. Not having school and work and stuff is really throwing me off on my days. But I watered this as soon as I took it out of the package because it was really, really wilty. And then the next morning it was all perky and fine like this, and it's already putting out new growth. So I've never grown these as a house plant, only as like annuals to have outside in flower beds and stuff. And they're really vigorous like that. So I'm interested to see how this does as a house plant. I think I'll probably either put the whole plant in my frog's terrarium, or else I'll just do a cutting and put in there, because this is just one plant with like a few different stems. But it looks really nice now. I love this. It's so pretty. So then the third plant I ordered from her was a Colocasia. And yeah, so when I first got it, when I took it out of the package, this leaf was pretty good. Like, it was kind of wilty, but it wasn't crispy or anything, and it was like straight up. This one was like this, but I just transplanted it and watered it, and this leaf is now crunchy and wilting. So I don't know if this is gonna make it, but these are kind of like, they have like, they're not bulbs, I don't think. They're like, these have like tubers of some sort anyways. So hopefully if this does completely die down, it will grow back. I don't know. If any of you know, let me know, because I've never grown these before, but the picture that she had on Facebook, this had like a big, pretty purple, like satiny looking leaf, and it was so pretty. So I'm really hoping that this guy will come back. But yeah, I don't know. But so these were the 3 plants I ordered, and when I opened the package, I got a surprise, and there were 5 other plants in there that she sent with for free. So if this doesn't make it, I'm not going to be super mad, because she sent me a bunch of other plants too. I'm assuming just because I ordered 3 plants at once and she just like wanted to send me a little gift. I don't know. But that was super awesome. So the first one I saw was this. This is a Peperomia, and I should be holding these closer up, I feel like you probably can't see them that well. So this is a type of Peperomia. Do you like that, Nugget? Do you like that? I don't think you guys can see Nugget, but she's just sitting down there in front of the camera. So yeah, so this is a Peperomia, and I really like these ones. So, and this one's super healthy. It's doing good. There's a little bit of damage to the leaves on the top. It looks like it's just from packaging, like they got bent a little bit, but I mean, that's fine. The rest of it's fine, and I didn't even pay for this plant. It came for free, so I can't really complain, you know? But yeah, so I transplanted it in this little ceramic like mug thingy that I got from a thrift shop a while ago, and I've just been waiting to have something cool to plant in it. So yeah, I think that's a cute little guy. And then she also sent me this variegated, Nugget, don't eat dirt. That's not snacks. She sent me this variegated English Ivy as well, and I've been wanting one of these so bad. I think they're so cool. I like pretty much all ivies, but the variegated English Ivies are so pretty. I love them. And I have it in this cute little white pot. So I'm super excited about this. This is just one plant in here that was rooted and wrapped up. So that was another freebie she sent me. And then she sent me a Philodendron Brazil, and it's kind of wilty right now still from transplanting and from being in a package for a few days. Also, all of these packages got delayed. They were supposed to be here last Wednesday and they ended up arriving on Friday. So all of them were sitting in warehouses for 2 days. So that definitely doesn't help the plants. They're gonna dry out more and just be under more stress. So this guy is just still kind of enduring some of that. He's a little bit wilty, but he'll be okay. Philodendron are really tough. So this is a Philodendron Brazil, and I just have him in a little mason jar. I have another mason jar like this up there with my Philodendron micans in it. So I'll probably hang this one by that once it perks up a little bit. I don't want to put it in like direct sunlight when it's this fragile because I don't want to burn it. Okay. The next thing that she sent me, this was awesome. When I saw this and there were all these free plants in there, and it's not like they're big giant plants, like they're just single little plants, but like, I mean, plants grow, obviously. I don't care. I think it's awesome. So this is a sedum, and I don't know what this one's called, but I used to have it. And do you like this, Nugget? You have hair on your face. I actually used to have this sedum, but I killed it because I had it in with some succulents that like hardly ever needed water, and it dried up on me. So I'm really glad that she sent this because this is a really cool sedum and it's really easy to grow and really easy to propagate. So I have it in this cute little square dish. This is from Walmart. It's like a little like serving dish thing. I don't know, it was like a couple bucks at Walmart, but so this is that little sedum. And then the last freebie she sent me was this Syngonium, and I put it in a cute little llama pot. And this one is so healthy. When I took it out of the package, I thought it'd be kind of wilty because it's a really, what's the word I'm looking for? It's a really fleshy plant, so I thought it'd be wilted, but it was really firm. The leaves were good, the stems were strong, and it has a lot of new growth in the middle of it. So yeah, and I put him in this cute little llama pot that is also from Walmart. So that's that. So I'm satisfied with everything overall. The only thing that didn't turn out good was this guy, but like I said, she sent me all these other free plants, so I don't like count it as a loss, you know. So yeah, so I think I'm still gonna try and order a couple more plants, and then I'll do a drunk review because it was so much fun. And when I was editing it, I was like just sitting there laughing at myself because I was being just dumb, and like Rob was like, oh my god, this girl is crazy. So I really want to do that again and get it uploaded this time, so hopefully that goes well. So I'll probably be doing that in the upcoming next few weeks, hopefully, as long as mail is still going because of all this coronavirus stuff. But yeah, so like I said, if you guys have questions about these plants or the people they came from, I'll be leaving that information in the description box below. There will be a little arrow. Click down on that and the description will pop up. So if you like this video, if you want me to do this concept again or anything like this, leave comments. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell to get notifications, and I will see you next week. Bye!